Hello everyone, I am Muskan from Asha Kancha Foundation. As we all know, whole world is suffering from this pandemic COVID-19. It become threat to whole world. We all are waiting for the vaccine as a cure against coronavirus. But in this situation, to combat the coronavirus pandemic, the government of India has launched a new app called Arogya Setu. Arogya Setu app, India's main contact tracing technology, was launched on April 2nd this year. The app was developed by the Nation Informatics Center under the Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology. According to Niti Aayog CEO Amitabh Kant, it has become the world's fastest app to reach 50 million downloads in just 13 days. Arogya Setu is a mobile application developed by the government of India to connect essential health services with the people of India in our combined fights. Let's start how to set up Arogya Setu app. So firstly, we will have to download the Arogya Setu app from Google Play Store for Android users. So let's downloading this app on our smartphone. Now the download process is complete. So let's opening this app. Now choose the desired language. The app supports 11 languages: English, Hindi, Gujarati, Marathi, Punjabi, etc. I am comfortable in English, so I choose English. Now next, at the last page of the information, now tap on the register button. Allow all the necessary permissions. As already mentioned, the app uses Bluetooth and location data. To work, need to provide access to these services. After allow all the necessary information, click on the I agree button. Enter the mobile number and the OTP received. Enter OTP manually or wait for the app to detect automatically. And then now you can access the app, take self-assessment test, read the guidelines, determine the risk factor and more. After reading the guidelines, answer these questions very honestly, because once you answer the questions, the app will tell you about the infection risk. So please answer these questions very honestly. And then if you want other states of corona updates, also so let's click on the COVID updates, and then you can check all the updates of other states. And the last, if you want to share this app to your friends and your family members, so tap on the share button and protect other button from the app. Choose the medium such as SMS, WhatsApp. Then choose the contact you want to share the app with and then send the message. At last, I would like to say this: only if you have not downloaded the Arogya Setu app, then download it now to fight against coronavirus. India fighting with corona, then what are you doing waiting for? Till then, stay happy and stay safe. Thank you.